Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use the United Airlines app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The United Airlines app is a convenient tool that allows you to manage every aspect of your trip, from booking flights to checking in and receiving flight updates. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right, then tap on the search bar and type in United Airlines app. Now once it loads, select the official United Airlines app and then tap on it, and on tapping here you'll find the option that says get. Simply tap on that and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully download the app. Now once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is open up the app and then log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account here, what you need to do is you can search for books and flights. You can just simply tap on book flight on the bottom, and here you can enter in your details like destination, dates and the number of passengers. Tap search to see available flights. You can also use filters to sort flight by price, flight duration or departure times, and then choose the flight that best fits your schedule and budget. You can also view flight details like baggage fees and seat availability. Next is to check in for your flight. Once you have booked your flight, go to the My Trips tab on the bottom, and here all your active trips will be shown right there. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your check-in. If you have baggage to check, you can choose the number of bags you wish to check and pay any baggage fees through the app. You will receive your boarding pass, which will be added to your Apple Wallet or Google Pay for easy access at the airport. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.